Number 5, collage. A collage brings together different images, stories, and ideas and unites them with a common subject. Each piece is a unique, full story, yet part of the common whole. The way I like to think about this is like art class. It's like decoupage. You have a theme, your topic, whatever it is you're choosing to write about, and you might capture, if it was a camping essay in collage form, you might, of course, employ flash nonfiction, tell a story, but it'll be a story around a central image. If you're creating a visual collage, you might have a photograph of yourself at the Grand Canyon on a camping trip. You might have a picture of yourself hiking through Denali National Park in Alaska. You might have a picture of yourself rafting the Deschutes. You might have a picture of yourself pitching a tent on a beach in Belize. I'm making these things up. But the idea is that visually, the images trigger memories and stories. So you want to take the images, which you're free to include. I love images in the lyric essay. That's a whole nother topic. Feel free to use any images you want, whether created by you or taken by you or found in other sources. The idea is that you want to take the strength of the visual image and translate it into words. Another way to think about it is like a puzzle. Imagine if you had 10 different puzzles and you threw all the pieces together and magically these 10 individual puzzles still fit together piecewise to form a brand new, never before seen picture. That's the idea. In the readings, one of the ways to approach the collage essay is through a dictionary. The idea of the dictionary approach to talking about one woman's grandmother is an important thing. Each scene corresponds to a letter of the alphabet. Some of them are funny, some of them are touching, some are poignant, some are incredibly sad. But all of them help create a picture of the author's grandmother throughout her life, but especially from the point of view of the author herself, which is an amazing feat. It's touching, it's heartwarming, and it makes you greatly appreciate what you have to go through and what others have to go through and how that's a shared experience. The collage essay is one of my favorites because as long as the overall picture, like the finished picture of the puzzle, makes sense, you can include anything you want, whether created, found, or borrowed. Just remember, cite your sources if you borrow anything, but do it in a way that doesn't interrupt the fluidity of the actual essay.